So dear friends, now we are going to discuss the phosphorus pentahalide PX5. PX5 where X equal to ki asile except iodine, chlorine, bromine. Okay, so fluorine, chlorine, bromine except iodine. Alright, so iodine does not form PX5. Okay, so now first of all is preparation. So how can we prepare? So ami paisilo jeta PCl3 porisilu that ami P4 logot tumi keita tumi hari pothiaisila I think 6 numbers of chlorine pothaisila aru hei chlorine gas jodi yat jodi tumi jodi besike pothiwa with P4 or through P4 P4 logot tumi jodi excess chlorine of reaction koribole dia, then you will find what PCl5. Okay, again jodi tumi PCl3 logot chlorine combine koribole dia, then also there will be formation of PCl5 and it is in solid form. Alright, so next point is that when you treat phosphorus P4 unit with sulfuryl chloride, so naam to tumaloke file likhi rakhiba, moi underline kori rakhisu SO2Cl2 sulfuryl chloride. It will give you sulfur dioxide gas and what PCl5. Sulfur dioxide gas dibo aru tomalok ki dibo PCl5 dibo. So e2 reaction tumi balance koribo para, kenekoi balance koribo para, answer is like this. So yet phosphorus side ase, so here you can give 4 numbers of phosphorus more 30 goisile likhibor karone. So 4 numbers of phosphorus is here. So 10 sulfur, 10 to 20 oxygen, 10 to 20 oxygen, then tomorrow 10 to 20 chlorine, 4, 5, 20 chlorine. So that's okay. So now the structure. So structure we already discussed in one lecture. Okay. So again I am going to explain it. Okay. So this is here. According to Weissenberg theory, its tomorrow hybridization was sp3d hybridization. The hybridization was what? sp3d hybridization, and there are 3 chlorine atoms at the equatorial position and 2 chlorine atoms at the axial position. So these are called axial chlorine and these 3 are called equatorial chlorine. So aru ami discuss korisilu ki boli the axial bonds are longer than the equatorial bonds, that is tomar axial is equal to 240 picometer, equatorial is equal to 2 picometer. All right, so moi tomok link to di dim jot neki ami etu bikhoy alochona korisilu in the description box tomara sab paiba. Okay, so here you see sp3d hybridization. So axial bonds are longer than the equatorial bonds. Why? Because tomar axial bonds dudalok tomalokor keidal bandhoniye repulsion korise not exactly bond, but the bond pair electrons repulsion korise answer is 3, 1 2 3, and these 3 equatorial bonds are repelled by 2 axial bonds 1 2. Therefore axial repulsion is mane more, he karone yahe ki hoy bandhoni tomar ki hoy besi longer hoi jay. Then its physical properties. So physical properties tomar prothomote ase ki it is a tomar pale yellow crystalline solid. So tomar jodi PX3 logot jodi tomar mane yat compare kora, PX3 tomar ki asile PCl3 tomar colorless asile aru liquid asile, but here you see PCl5 is pale yellow color and it is ki solid. So if there mane tomar jodi keteba khute the distinguish between PCl5 and PCl3, so to make color to distinguish koribo para, then your state to distinguish koribo para. So now next is tomar ki here is the smell. That smell is tomar ki asile to pungent smell of PCl5. All right, then aru asile here properties in solid state. In solid state it forms ions, or it it forms 2 ions. So one is tomar ki PCl4 minus, then another one is PCl4 plus, then another one is PCl6 minus. Eta cation aru anion hi ki hisabe thake in its solid state. So this is PCl4, its structure is tomar tetrahedral TD, aru here PCl6 here case to octahedral asile structure. Then next is here is chemical properties. So chemical properties tomar ki PCl5 of 2 strongly heat koriba, not not মানে তোমালোকৰ স্লো হিট বা মানে স্মুথ হিট যেতিয়া তুমি এক স্ট্ৰংলি হিট কৰিবা then it will form PCl3 and Cl2 okay then it reacts with moist air যেতিয়া তুমি বায়ুমণ্ডলৰ জলীয় বাষ্পৰ লগত ই তোমালোকৰ দুটা ষ্টেপৰ ৰিএকচন কৰিব এটা ফাৰ্স্ট ষ্টেপ it will form POCl3 so phosphorus oxychloride then HCl then with another 3H2 molecule it will form phosphoric acid plus HCl on the other hand if you give excess water to phosphorus pentachloride then it will form what phosphoric acid plus HCl alright so these are the main two reactions of phosphorus pentachloride so students we are discussing the chemical properties of a phosphorus pentahalide that is px5 so we have already discussed two chemical reactions now this is our third reaction ইয়াত তোমালোকৰ কি হৈছে যে phosphorus pentahalide কেনেদৰে হাইড্ৰক্সিল গ্ৰুপস থকা মানে কম্পাউণ্ডছৰ লগত ৰিএকচন কৰে সেইটো দেখাব বিচৰা হৈছে সো ইয়াত দেখা পোৱা গৈছে যে when it reacts with hydroxyl containing compounds then it removes or it substitutes this hydroxyl group so ইয়াত তোমাৰ কি কৈছে এই হাইড্ৰক্সিল গ্ৰুপটো কি লৈ গৈছে লৈ পেলানি তোমাক টিউ লগাই দিছে chlorine to লগাই দিছে alright so similarly so here you see so this is তোমাৰ কি হৈছে OH group to নাইকিয়া কৰিছে আৰু ইয়াত তোমাৰ কি হৈছে halogen to সোমাই আছে so this is an important reaction for your organic part also because in the first chapter of organic তোমালোকৰ যে haloalkane আছে তাত তোমালোকৰ এটা process আছে that is preparation of haloalkane so there this reaction is important আৰু পৰীক্ষাত তোমালোকৰ আহিছে কেনেদৰে তুমি phosphorus pentachloride পৰা alcohol লগত reaction কৰি haloalkane this is halogen and this is তোমাৰ alkane পৰা আহিছে therefore কি বুলি কোৱা হৈছে haloalkane বুলি কোৱা হৈছে so তুমি কি বুলি কোৱা পাৰা chloroethane দুটা কাৰ্বন আছে কাৰণে ethane and here it is chloroethane so here this is one give POCl3 phosphorus oxychloride then তোমালোকৰ hydrogen chloride হৈ গৈছে তাতে all right so next tomorrow I have okay there sulfuric acid in case of sulfuric acid also there are two hydroxyl groups and these two hydroxyl groups are replaced by these two chlorine atoms of sulfuric acid okay then reaction with metals so metals are about reaction kore saধাৰণতে metal chloride formation kore for example zinc or reaction kore zinc chloride okay then tomorrow PCl3 form korise tinor লগত reaction কৰি tin tetrachloride আৰু PCl3 phosphorus trichloride formation কৰিছে similarly silver লগত reaction কৰি silver chloride আৰু তোমাক কি সৃষ্টি কৰিব PCl3 উৎপন্ন কৰিব অলৰাইট মই ইয়াত লিখা নাই একেবাৰে simple reaction silver plus PCl5 gives silver chloride AgCl plus PCl3 নিজে লিখি লবা now next question is okay phosphorus pentoxide okay phosphorus pentasulfide then তোমালোকৰ sulfur dioxide okay phosphorus pentoxide লগত কি কৰিব reaction কৰি phosphorus oxychloride POCl3 তোমালোকৰ কি কৰিব উৎপন্ন কৰিব similarly তোমালোকৰ phosphorus pentasulfide লগত reaction কৰি thiophosphoryl chloride utpanna koribo thiophosphoryl chloride then PCl5 plus SO2 POCl2 phosphorus oxychloride plus SOCl2 SOCl2 তোমাৰ কি কৰিব উৎপন্ন কৰিব ঠিক আছে then তোমালোকৰ আহিব with মানে addition product form কৰিব it will form addition product with some metal chlorides for example BCl3 reacts with phosphorus pentachloride to form PCl4 plus and PCl4 minus here you see here তোমালোকৰ এটা কি আছে cation আছে আৰু এটা কি আছে anion আছে so this cation is formed by donating one chlorine or releasing one chlorine from phosphorus pentachloride to BCl3 so this is PCl4 plus this is BCl4 minus so this is cationic part this is anionic part so this product is called or this kind of product is called addition product so students more naam ko mon tohan asile so eta mon ahile so this name is called thionyl chloride associated with ki thionyl chloride এবং এটো organic ত লাগি থাকিব so this is your thionyl chloride ঠিক আছে so addition product then তোমালোকৰ আহিব phosphorus pentachloride will react with niobium tetrachloride, so it will form phosphorus tetrachloride cation, then তোমালোকৰ niobium pentachloride, this is তোমালোকৰ কি anion, ঠিক আছে anion. So phosphorus pentachloride plus Kf potassium fluoride, it will form K plus PF6 minus মানে potassium phosphorus hexafluoride minus plus তোমালোকৰ কি 5KCl. ইয়াতে তোমালোকৰ এটা cation আছে, এটা তোমালোকৰ কি আছে anion আছে. So potassium is cationic part and PF6 minus is anionic part. So phosphorus তোমালোকৰ কি কৰিলে পাঁচটা ক্লোৰিন দি দিছে আৰু তোমালোকৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমালোকৰ ফ্লোৰিন টো accept কৰি PF6 minus ion উৎপন্ন কৰিছে, then K plus is as a cation, ঠিক আছে. The next is your phosphorus pentachloride will react with hydrogen to form PCl3 plus 2HCl. Here you see. So here phosphorus pentachloride acts as an oxidizing agent. Here oxidizing agent is কাম কৰিছে. ইয়াৰ তোমালোকৰ ইয়াৰ oxidation number আছে 5. Then ইয়াৰ তোমালোকৰ হৈ গ'ল oxidation number কিমান +3. মানে so hydrogen ইয়াৰ তোমালোকৰ oxidation number আছে 0. So here you see ইয়াত hydrogen কি হৈ গ'ল 1 plus হৈ গ'ল +1 হৈ গ'ল. So hydrogen is oxidized and phosphorus is reduced. Therefore, phosphorus is acting as an oxidizing agent. All right. So that's all about your phosphorus pentachloride. So next we shall discuss also acids of phosphorus. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon.